Guys, this is Stud Cubing here, and this video is going to be a little bit of a different one. I got some comments on my Geometry Dash video because people did not believe me that I actually did it because I didn't show all of these solves. I didn't show myself solving every time I died in Geometry Dash. So today, this is an uncut video of me solving a Rubik's Cube with my feet. These two videos should come out at the exact same time. So be sure to don't watch this video first. Be sure to watch the other one first. I'll link it down in the description down below. But if you don't believe me that I actually solved it with my feet because of all the cuts and stuff, watch this video. You'll understand it. Show that I really actually did solve a Rubik's Cube with my feet, uncut. And, I hope this shows all of the negative people, all of the unbelievers. Unbelievers, is that the right word? I don't know. I don't know if that's the right word. Anyway, that'll show all the people who don't believe me that, yes, I'm not lying. So, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, guys, let's get right into it. I'm gonna move this timer real quick. I don't want it to be in my way, but I want you guys to be able to see it. So, there we go. You guys can see that timer. I got my solving place right here. I'm gonna solve this cube with my feet. First of all, I can always scramble with my hands, and I can inspect with my hands. Actually, I haven't checked that. It used to be a WCA event, but in one-handed you can inspect with two hands. So I suspect with feet, it would be the same thing. If you find the answer, leave it in the comments down below. So we're gonna inspect. It looks like we have a cross piece here, 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 and here. Sorry, guys. So looks like okay. All right, I think we're good. So we're going to start the timer and let's begin solving. And we got our first piece in there. I'll get to you guys when the cross is done. Alright, guys, so the cross has just been finished. I'm trying to inspect pairs now. So, oh, come on. There we go. I'm saying the green-red pair is a possibility. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do green-red. We're going to do green-red. Could I just... I solved the pair and put it in the wrong spot. Are you kidding me? Serious? Look! I put it in the wrong slot. I put it in the wrong spot. Worst part is that's gonna waste like 30 seconds of my time. Maybe not quite that long. And there we go. First pair is done. There it is. We have the first pair there with the cross complete. Screw it up. Okay, so now we're going to find another pair. And I'm seeing blue, red. I'm also seeing orange, blue, and green, orange. I want to go with, no, green, orange is too hard. Let's go with, okay, we're going to go with the blue, orange pair. Just because they're clumped together and those are usually move. They're not really move efficient, but the moves are going to be the same types of moves, so I'm not too worried about that. So there we go. And then the part 2 of this is we do that. No. Okay. I almost messed up there. I almost destroyed my chances of victory. There we go. And now all we need to do is how the pair is lined up correctly. We're going to bring it over. Now we're going to insert it. Come on. There we go. Alright, second pair is done. Next pair, did not line up anything for me. I mean, blue, red. I'm saying blue, red. And then orange, green is still terrible. So we're doing blue, red. We're doing blue, red. Worst part is the cube is just flopping around everywhere, so it's so difficult to actually see what I'm doing. I could pair these up, right? Yeah, pair these up. I do that. I go 1, 2, back, over, pair it up, and now I insert. There we go. 3 pairs are done. Last pair, man, the first pair was good. All the other pairs are just terrible. Green orange is the last one. It's not. I think it's actually the exact same cases I got for the second pair I did. Okay, finally F2L is done. Takes a second to realize it. But there you go. You can see that F2L is complete. After 7 minutes. It's time to do OLL. This is where things get tricky because, again, algorithms are muscle memory. And with muscle memory, obviously I don't have that with my feet. So, this algorithm is pretty easy that I know right here, so that's good. We do this, this, and now this, and the cross is finished. Okay, so is this a soon? Yeah, this is a soon. Okay. Boom. Boom. Got super lucky with that with those OL algorithms, guys. I cannot believe I got two easy cases. Now for PLL. Can we one with this? No way. No, you guys think I think this is staged. This is the only algorithm that I don't use muscle memory for. Are you kidding me? What are the chances? This is T-perm. I swear, if I screw this up, I'm not gonna be happy. Algorithm is this. No, it's what? This. Do this. Go like this. That. Like that. Like that. Like that. All I need to do is reinsert this pair and we're done. I screwed up. Hold on. What? Are you kidding me? I screwed it up. How? Oh. I just have to keep going, I guess. One. Guys, I screwed up the algorithm. Why? Oh, this one's another fairly easy one for me to remember. Well, I say fairly easy, and then I mess up again. I'll never forgive myself. But I didn't. What do we have now? Is this the universe mocking me? It's the same thing. Okay. I promise you guys I won't mess it up this time. Seriously, seriously. Oh, we're getting there. We're doing this, guys. Do it like this. Then we do a U prime. Please, please, like this. On, please. Yes. Oh yes. Oh, guys, we did it. We did it. Look at that. 12:53. Oh, is it mirrored? I think it's mirrored for you guys. Is there any way I can? I don't think so. Anyway, 12:53. I just realized the timer was mirrored the whole time. That's unfortunate. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna recuperate. I'll see you guys in the outro.